Hi guys, Lazy Money UK here. Let's talk about Neevo today. Neevo lets you do microtasks to make money. Each microtask takes seconds to complete and earns a few pennies each time. Ideally, you would sit down and grind through a high volume of microtasks to rack up a decent payment. Most microtasking work is used to train artificial intelligence, so you'll be helping machines to take over the world faster. This voice recording job they sent me will be used to train smart assistants for people who want to talk to their car.
Any more questions you want to ask?
I had to download the Neevo app for this one, but usually I do their jobs on a PC. They always provide comprehensive instructions, and there's even an example of what the recording should sound like.
Hey Corbett.
I was soon ready to get started.
BMW.
To save time, I didn't bother checking the recordings after the first few.
Hey Siri.
They started asking for the lines to be read slowly, so I sounded like a psychopath.
Hello Minnie.
Hello, Minnie. Oh no!
Next they wanted faster readings, which was fine because my phone was running out of battery.
Okay BMW.
1. Hey kids, I'm talking Krusty. 2. Hey, here comes Slideshow Mel.
I made it to the maximum of 240 phrases, so expect to receive $7.50 soon. Coincidentally, there was also a voice recording task on Prolific the next day, which paid £10. Now I'll show you one of the computer-based jobs on Neevo. I only skim-read the instructions because they were too long and convoluted. I preferred to learn on the job anyway. I just about passed the test, but it looks like their expectations weren't set very high for this one. The aim here was to tag words in online reviews which indicate positive and negative sentiment towards the item in question. I was soon getting the hang of it. After grinding out over 200 tasks, I decided to call it a day. Neevo sent me $35 for this the very next day, but I'm also expecting a $5 bonus as promised by their email. There isn't something to do on Neevo every day unfortunately, but I do recommend signing up and waiting for jobs to appear in your inbox. While I was editing this video, a new job came up to check the voice recordings that other users had submitted. Neevo were even better at avoiding work than I am. I'm impressed.
Hello, Minnie.
Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Hit the like button if this was helpful, and remember to subscribe if you want more lazy money making tips.